So I got this off. I noticed when you do this, the GM is at the top here, and this keyway is straight up and down. And this one is, I don't know, what's that, like 1 o'clock, something like that. That's the top dead center, because if you turn this, I'll put a little mark on there. If you turn this 360 degrees, this will be over here. That'll actually be out of phase by 1 revolution. I finally got it to turn. I did the old hammer and 2x4 trick and knocked on the piston, and then that actually freed it up. So now I can turn it. Flywheel bolts back here. So now it's moving. Now I can get to the screws inside and pull the cam out. Once I line it up correctly. That's the other tip. So that was completely out of phase. That's on the other side. And the GM is down the bottom. The piston walls didn't look too bad. They're not too scratched up. I'm getting new, new rings in to get it bored out anyway, but yeah, see how it's lined up here. It's lined up here, getting it, but the GM is down the bottom. Even though piston number 1 is at the top, but that's on an exhaust stroke probably. So I can rub one more time. Yeah, see how it's down there, but it's number 1 top dead center, but that ain't top dead center. One more go around. Sorry about the jitter. I gotta give me a good tripod mount for my phone. That's how it lines up, number 1. I can get to those screws in there. Get in there. If you look at this, the Phillips screws in there. Up right. Oh, I'm too far. All right. Time to pull the cam out.